Anyways, I just picked these up about an hour ago. I paid $200 for both of them. This one doesn't have a deck. This one, the hood is missing the bracket, so it's messed up. Doesn't run. So what we're gonna do is take the deck off of this one, put it onto the good one. It has a twin cylinder engine, so I'd rather sell this one. And then we're gonna keep all the tires and all the good parts and the engine from this one. So we're gonna get the deck swapped over and be right back. Alright, so I just took the mower off of that one, put it onto this one, and now we're gonna do a tune-up and clean it up, level the deck, put new blades on it, and see how it does. Okay, so this one's missing the headlights and the plastic cover there, so we're going to take that off and put it on the other one. I'm going to throw some blades on real quick because these are bent. Alright, so we got the bagger hardware off of that one. I didn't have all the correct parts with it, so we took this one off the other one, and we're going to mount that up real quick. Alright, got it all cleaned up, running good. Now we're going to list it, see what it sells for.